Sex. We all know it, we all love it. Despite just how prevalent sex is in our society though, you'd be surprised at how many facts about the female body there are that most people are completely unaware of. Let's go over some of these facts, starting with women are more fluid with their sexuality due to evolution. There have been a few studies in the past, one from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, and an earlier one from Biological Reviews that theorized why women seem more sexually experimental than men. The study revealed that women were equally aroused by both men and women, whereas men were usually only aroused by women. These scientists theorized that women actually evolved to be more sexually liberal as a way to ease tensions in polygamous relationships. Essentially, their theory hypothesizes that women who were more willing to sleep around with other women had an advantage in poly relationships compared to women who were strictly straight. Most women need clitoral stimulation to orgasm. Between 50 to 75% of women need direct clitoral stimulation to actually have an orgasm, instead of being able to finish through intercourse alone. This makes sense once you think about it. The clitoris is said to have over 10,000 nerve endings, and the evolutionary purpose of the clitoris is purely for pleasure. It's also said that women don't generally reach orgasm during intercourse. Definitely take notes, gentlemen. If you want to be able to fully pleasure your female partner, you are more than likely going to need to give their clitoris some attention. Female orgasms are better than male orgasms. Male and female orgasms have been compared on multiple different occasions, but female orgasms are always shown to be superior to their male counterparts. This ties back into the fact that, like we said, the clit has far more nerve endings than the head of the penis. However, female orgasms also simply last longer. Male orgasms typically last between 5 to 20 seconds, whereas female orgasms last 10 to 30 seconds. Female orgasms also involve far more pelvic floor contractions, leading to multiple orgasms compared to a male's one. We've covered some interesting facts about the female body and female sexuality, such as the evolutionary need for more fluid sexuality and women often needing clitoral stimulation to actually orgasm. We've barely scratched the surface, however. Keep watching to learn even more. Women crave more sex in the summer. Pheromones are chemicals that are released by animals which affect the behavior of other members of their same species. Humans are also known to have pheromones, but sexual pheromones haven't been isolated in humans yet. Despite this, it's known that summer can affect sex drive, especially in women. It's been theorized that the reason for this is the pheromones naturally present in human sweat. As temperatures rise and people sweat more, women smell more of these pheromones and naturally get more aroused. Women's skin is more sensitive than men's. Women are naturally seen as more sensual and sensitive than men. Reportings support this view, as women tend to say their skin is more sensitive than men's skin. However, reports aren't the only thing to support this notion. Research does too. The epidermis in women has been shown to be thinner than in men. Caressing a woman's skin or kissing is more pleasurable for women than it is for men. Again, take notes, guys. Don't be afraid of being sensual. Women will thank you. Stress affects men and women differently. The primary hormone in women is estrogen, while the primary hormone found in men is testosterone. Men have estrogen and women have testosterone as well, yes, but in far different amounts. This is the reason for sexual differences. But testosterone and estrogen also affect how the sexes react to stress. During stressful periods, the body releases oxytocin. Oxytocin reacts with estrogen and leads to a calming effect in women. In men, meanwhile, oxytocin makes them far more aggressive and violent.